Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zapp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zapp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on device. And here you should see your Active Max. Now scroll down and find the option called notifications and reminders and tap on it. And here let's tap on notifications. If you don't have the required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see warning messages right here at the top. And you need to tap on them, and this one will redirect you to... Oh no, it won't redirect you. My bad, I guess. Some of the apps basically redirect you to the specific settings page, but this one allows you to do it on the app level, which is good because you don't need to go to other places. But basically you need to tap on the warning message and then allow the required permission. And you may see more than one. I already have some permissions allowed, that's why I only saw this one. But if you had more, just keep tapping until the warning message disappears from the top. And after that, you should see this page, basically notifications page. And here we can turn on and off the notifications for different types of notifications, also for different apps on your phone. And you can also enable and disable options like silence notifications during phone in DND mode, notify only when phone is locked. You can set up the quick responses for the SMS and stuff like that. Incoming SMS, you can turn on and off the notifications for it, for the phone apps. And here you have a list of apps and you can allow all of them, turn off all of them. You can allow or disable some specific apps. And basically how it works is basically if the notification for the app is enabled right here and you receive the notification from that app on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if it's disabled, it won't be forwarded to your watch. You will see it only on your phone. So if you don't want to see notifications from some applications on your watch, or rather, notifications from that app being sent to your watch, you don't want them, you can disable those notifications, or rather those apps right here, and the notifications won't be sent to your watch. Okay, so customize this to your liking. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications. Once you allow the permissions, turn on the notifications, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord and we're gonna test it. And we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch, and you can reply to it. You can use the quick responses if you set them up. You can also delete the notification, and if you miss it, you can always swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the notification panel. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.